Hello everyone, and I would like to provide you with a short corporate update. Yesterday we issued a press release related to our new technology, Cavitation Non-Thermal Plasma. I did receive several phone calls where investors were asking me really what is the differentiator between our core technology, which are LPNs or high pressure nano, compared to Cavitation Non-Thermal Plasma. Well, Cavitation Non-Thermal Plasma is really up and coming new technology. I believe that the main course of the technology will be to replace UV lights, because to understand how it works, really lightning that we're generating or the plasma that is going through the fluid, that's a big difference between what UV lights are. UV lights, the fluid is going outside the UV light and just provides it like a batch type of process. Now, in our technology, it is really the lightning or plasma is going through the fluid. Very effective way to eliminate bacteria and viruses. Also perhaps going to work on PFAS, which we're going to do some testing, and reduction of TDS. So that's the main source, and that's the reason I wanted to bring it up to the investors to understand what cavitation non-thermal plasma is. In addition, I will be presenting in Denver on April 28th at Trickle Research Conference. In the next several months, I anticipate that we're going to be making some major announcements on the business development side, because we're working right now, let's say probably half a dozen really big companies in water remediation, and I'm hoping to really provide you with all the information like I mentioned to you in the next several months. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll be talking to you soon.